Good evening and good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. As you can tell, I have the Jeep outside, and as you can tell by the thumbnail as well, that we got some unnecessary accessories. It depends if you want them to be unnecessary, but they're accessories regardless. Ah, what a surprise. So, we have some WeatherTech side window deflectors. I think they're cool. They're gonna be cool. I'm gonna put them on, and the Jeep's gonna look cool. Then we got, of course, some brake pedal covers. These are not the $100 Mopar ones. These are ones from Amazon. And then I found this just recently. I'm sure maybe all of you have already had this or have never seen this before, but I never seen this. I thought it looked pretty cool, but it's these Cup Holder Hero inserts. So it's basically just it's a bunch of inserts that go right into all your cup holders and other accessories, but I want to do the side windows first, see what that looks like, and then we'll do all the interior stuff a little later because, as you can tell, the sun's going down, so I don't have a ton of sunlight, jeez, and yeah, we'll just knock this out and get it out of the way. So, for the front channels, basically, you put in this side first. This side has to go in first. And then you kind of bend it out, you squeeze in the rear, and then you kind of just really fold this in. I'll do the best I can. Stop beeping! But, so, that's it, seated all the way in. That's what it looks like. Seated all the way in. It's got some flex to it, but I can't tell. First thing you notice is, you guys can see my camera right there, but so when you auto roll this up, it'll hit, yeah. So it's hitting right there. It notices something's there and it doesn't like it. So try to finagle this around because, oh, okay, so it's sitting right there. It doesn't like it. It's just falling out. I don't know if I'm supposed to have adhesive on this. Like, it doesn't look like it because I think it's just pressure fit, but let me play around with this. That side actually went on fine, the passenger side, but this side, okay, let's play around with it some more. that. The rain guards are done. Yes, I know it's the next day. I completely understand. I ran out of daylight. I ran out of time, and I just wanted to make sure I put these on right the first time, but it's really bright outside. So the next thing I have to do is those fancy brake pedals. These ones right here. Now they're kind of upside down. But this one, brake pedal, gas pedal. So I've watched other videos on how to install them. Some people say put them in boiling hot water to get them really soft, so I'm leaving them in the hot desert sun to get warm. And then I also have a bucket of soapy water right there. So I'm gonna let them warm up, and we're gonna go ahead and install them on those. So should be cool, should be easy. Some people say they struggle with that brake pedal, but I'll do what I can. Hopefully it's simple and easy with the take both methods. Take the soapy water, take the hot sun. Soapy water, hot sun, put on brake pedals. That should be easy. But last thing I have for all these unnecessary accessories is this cup holder. I showed you guys that earlier, but yeah, some rubber mats. So I'm gonna open these up while these are getting a little more hot and pliable. If that doesn't work, I got a heat gun and make it hotter. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up then. So this is what these cup holder hero liners, rubber liners, look like. They're just as the name entails, they're just rubber liners. Now, I did test fit a couple. Some of them actually don't make any sense. Like, for example, let's take this one. So, you got your center console, right? You open up the top portion. For me, this is felt. I don't know if all of them are like this, but this is felt. So, put this in here, right? There you go. But then you close it, you open it. Well, actually that turned out to be okay. But okay, believe me. So if I open that, close that, see, there you go. It kind of fell out. I probably won't use them in here because first of all, it's not gonna stick. They gave you some backing paper, and there's actually a QR code right there. And they send you where all this goes, and then as soon as you get down to which ones, it's all really tiny and smushed together. I don't know why it looks like that. It's legible, but it's not fantastic. So you've got the forward center console armrest, glove box, and yeah, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna put these where I think where the best uses for all these are. And I'm just gonna keep out the ones that kind of go in this felt area. For me, I know the track hawk guys or the trail hawk guys benefit from that, but I'm definitely not gonna benefit from this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna shove these all in places where they don't belong. All right, let's do it. So I got this one in here, and I got my nice little iPod, so it's happy. Got a little comfortable, so I got that one in there. The cup holder ones, I decided to stay with the OEM ones. I just like them better. Here are the ones they gave you. They're not terrible, but I just like those ones, so I'm gonna keep those in there. Glove box, there's actually two sections of the glove box. I actually just found this out surprisingly. There's this big section, and then there's another one right up there for all your books or whatever, but there's one that goes here, and that's actually really nice, and it looks really cool. So now on to the doors for both sides. Well, all of them actually. And yeah, let's just keep on rolling. So for the driver's side door, these are the three pieces you got. You got the cup holder, the handhold, and then the little slot down in there. So they suggest cleaning out these pockets so it just sits a little better. But I did it over there. As you can tell, there's one more extra piece that goes right there. But yeah, installing these are fairly simple. And yeah, I'm gonna clean them and install these ones. Let's keep going. And so here they all installed. I know the lighting isn't the greatest, but there's one, and then the other one in there. It's hard to see. And then that one right there. So, yeah, that took like maybe 10, 15 seconds. But then, so you have the rears as well. So you got one here, one here, one here. And then of course, you've got the two in here. So they suggest for these ones back here that you use the 3M adhesive tape that they provide for you, which is somewhere over there, that white tape right there. So, yeah, let's finish up everything. All right, let's get on to the pedals. So I'm assuming this one comes off and this just goes over the top. So these are hot. They're not super hot. They're actually really hot. But I'm gonna dump this. I'm gonna see how I can get this one on. I'm gonna clean off that pedal. I'm gonna remove that one and then put that one on. Put this one on, and yeah, let's try to make it quick. It's hot outside. All right, so everything's done. So rain guards, check. Cup holder thingies, check. And brake and gas pedal upgrade, check. So I think that's it. Oh, no, it's not. Got one more thing, just forgot. Gotta open the trunk. Open the trunk. We've got the next best thing. Some stickers. And as you can tell, this is our Instagram, @DesertSage. If you guys want to follow this Jeep, it's specifically just all about the Jeep and Jeep content and all that. But, you know, I love my stickers. We got to put them on. We got to put on the stickers. Okay, now we're done. Stickers on. Other stickers on. Rain guards on. Cup holder things on. So I guess that's it. Oh, that's right. The pedals. Again, just gotta make sure you double check your work, you know? Maybe you forgot to put it on completely. Pedals. Check. Alright, so that's about it. That's all the unnecessary accessories I needed for the day. If you guys want any of these accessories, the links to all of them will be down below, so just check it out there. Plus, I have a link tree. Check out my link tree for everything that's been done so far. If you guys don't want to, that's fine. But everything that I've done, at least today in this video, will be directly down below, so you guys can all check it out. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's been 2 days. I'm tired. It's hot. It's Vegas. But I think we're done. All right. Thank you.